So now that you have your students that have created their videos, you need to get them off of the iPad. So what you're going to want to do is you want to get the cord that you have that looks like this. You're going to want to unplug this USB end out of the actual wall charger piece, and you'll plug the other end into your iPad and then plug the USB portion into the actual USB port on your computer. Now once you've done that, the first time I would let it go for a little bit because it's going to have to install some stuff, which you'll be fine. It'll go ahead and install it just fine. Just leave it alone. Don't be surprised if iTunes actually opens up. If iTunes opens up, just click the X and close out of iTunes because you don't need iTunes to do this. After you've let it install everything successfully, you should be able to go to Computer, and you should see an iPad listed. Now this is my iPad, so that's why it's showing up as Andrew's iPad. Yours will probably have a generic name there listed. So you'll click on that and it'll say internal storage. So you'll click on it again, and now you get this folder called DCIM. Now you have two options. What it's done is it's sorted out. If I click on this, it's given me it's separated into pictures. So here's some pictures that are on the iPad, and then clicking on the other option gives me the videos that are created on the iPad. Now with this being said, you can see here there's a bunch of random videos that I've created using the Telegami app. I don't know who they are unless I was to listen to their voice. One thing that I would recommend as you're having your students record is you could have them say their name. You could have them say their initials of their name as they start the recording. You could even, after they've inserted their background, you could have them do the doodle option and add their name to their slide that they're going to talk about, or they could add their initials. So that would be one way that you could quickly see just by looking at their video to see who created it. But what you need to do then is, once you have accessed your iPad and you want to transfer your video files over to your desktop, you would go ahead and click on which one you want to add, press and hold as you click and drag it to your desktop. You can see it gives me the option where it says copy to desktop. I'll go ahead and let go when I'm there, and what it did is it just took that copy, or basically took that file that's on my iPad and make a copy onto my desktop. Now from here I've got my video that I can then go ahead and upload to Edline or to my class website using Edline. So again, that was after you've plugged it in, Computer, click on your iPad, internal storage, DCIM. You'll have to figure out which folder is all your video. So if I click on that, you can see I'm able to locate all of my video files. And at that point I can click and hold on which one I want to drag to the desktop until it says copy to desktop, let go, and it'll copy it to your desktop. So again, that's how you take all of your videos that your students have made off of the iPads and put them onto your computer so that you can upload them and share them appropriately.